Hi, are you looking at increasing the range of motion that you have in your torso and upper back? And/or would you love to just release some of that bound up fascia and tightness in your neck and shoulders? If so, have I got a great gentle somatic yoga flow for you. Hi, my name is Renee McLaughlin, and I love sharing these gentle somatic yoga flows with everybody. Now, this particular one is actually called Miracle Moment, because at the end of this flow, you are going to think you've just experienced a miracle. Yes, so stay tuned through the whole thing so you can really understand and get the sense of what this miracle moment is all about. All right, are you ready? Let's begin by putting our feet underneath our hips, and we're going to start by just testing our range of motion on our one side. So in order to do this, all I want you to do is just slowly bring your one arm right up to your shoulder. Now you're going to keep your hips forward, but your eyeballs are going to follow this finger, almost like you're looking out through the finger as you begin to bring that arm to your side and then all the way back. Now notice I'm resisting back on this hip. I'm just going to take my arms over to wherever I can without any pain or strain looking at it. Just mark that place with your eyes on the wall so you know where you're starting, and bring it all the way back and drop the arm back down. We're going to do it 3 times, but these 3 times you're going to keep your head straight ahead. So let's begin. Bringing that arm straight up and then bringing it over. So you're going to keep looking straight ahead, but you're going to bring your arm back just to wherever you can, not moving the hips. And when you get there, feel like you're kind of contracting or a bit in your upper shoulder. And then slowly bring it all the way back and drop it down. Let's do that again. Just allowing the arm to float up shoulder height. Bringing it out to the side and back, feeling that upper back engage. And then bring it all the way back and drop it back down. Let's do it one more time. Bringing it up to shoulder height, bringing it out to the side, feeling that upper back engage, bringing it all the way back and drop it down. Now we're going to do the same thing. However, bringing it up, we're going to turn our head opposite direction to the arms. So I'm going to be looking over the opposite shoulder. Notice what you're feeling. At the same tempo, bring your arm back and the head back and drop it back down at your side. Let's do that same thing again. Bringing it up to shoulder height. Bringing it around as you turn your head the opposite way. Notice what you're feeling. Pause at the top and then all the way back and drop it down. One last time like this. You ready? Bring it up. Bring that arm back, looking over the opposite shoulder, and coming straight back and dropping it. You probably thought not much was happening, didn't you? Let's test and see how much more range of motion we got this time. So you're going to bring that arm floated up. The head's going to follow again, right past those fingertips. And take a look at how much further. Oh my goodness, I can just keep going. All the way back. It is so amazing. And so you probably think that was the miracle moment, but wait, there's more. Now, we're going to do it with the other side. First, I want you to test. So just bringing that arm up, same exact thing. Eyes are going to just look out the horizon past the fingertips. Allow your head to go with it. Only to where you can, no pain, no strain. Eyeballs, check your spot. And bring it all the way back. And then drop it. Now here's the interesting thing. I'm going to have you shut your eyes and visualize exactly what I just did, what we did on the other side. On this side, you're not going to actually move. You're going to do it with your visualization. So shutting eyes, I just want you to slowly bring that arm up shoulder height. Draw that arm out to the side and back. See yourself keeping the hip there. Head is straight ahead. Now slowly bring that arm back to the front and drop it down to your side. And let's visualize that again, bringing the arm up to the shoulder, taking that arm out to the side and behind, bringing the arm back all the way to the front and drop it down at your side. Just one more like that. You're going to see yourself lifting the arm up, Bringing the arm out to the side and back. Feel yourself engaging the upper back. And then bring it all the way back from the side to the front and drop it down. Now we're going to visualize doing the same thing, head going opposite the arm. So you're going to bring that arm up to shoulder. And as you bring it to the side, you're going to start to look towards the opposite shoulder. Bringing that arm back. And now bring the arm over to the side and back to the front as you turn your head to look straight again. And drop the arm. Bring the arm up. Bring the arm out to the side, and as it goes back, see yourself tipping your head the other way, looking off the opposite shoulder. And bringing it all back to the front and dropping it. All right, open your eyes. Are you ready to test? Let's do this. Keeping your eyes open now, bring the arm up and go ahead and turn. Keep the hips straight, but your eyes are going to look and see how much more you got. Oh my gosh, as much as I got on the other side. How about you? That is the miracle moment. So what I want you to take away from this is that if you visualize doing a movement, it's as powerful physically as it is when you're actually physically doing it. And so this has incredible implications, especially if you have an injury, or let's say, very good example is a frozen shoulder, where maybe you can't get that arm back. All right, instead, I want you to just visualize it. So with your mind, you shut your eyes and you visualize it and bring it back. And then try it, eyes open, after you visualize doing it a few times. I think you're going to be pretty amazed that it's a great way to also help you as you are rehabbing an injury and unfreezing any of your frozen joints. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed the miracle moment. And if so, look for some of my other videos and subscribe so you get notification whenever new ones come out. Thanks so much and have a great day.